rituality. We are all believers feel these two terms are same, is the synonyms of each other, but actually not. My personal opinion and experience, rituality and spirituality are antonyms. These are completely different things. A religious person sometimes can be spiritual and sometimes cannot, but spiritual persons are not bound to be religious persons. Without following any kinds of certain ism, certain religions or certain customs, you can be spiritual. But without following the ritual, you cannot be ritual person. Ritual is very dangerous things. Sometimes ritual makes everyday habits limitation, boundary. If someone follow our ritual and agree with us, we love them. But if don't agree with us, then we start to hate. This is the main limitations of ritual. But spiritual persons always move with the global mind and global realities and follow the true loves. Such type persons have no limitations of gender, no limitation of ism, no limitations of nationalities, always move with the global realities and enjoy the life as a part of global journey. But ritual persons cannot think, cannot live life beyond their ism and philosophy, and sometimes they hate the others peoples with the direction of their founder. This is the very dangerous things. If we observe and analyze the global history, we understand there are many kinds of war, conflict, divisions happen for the ritualities. But spiritual persons generally don't do war, conflict, and don't make divide. They appreciate very much the unity, love, serve, and understanding others. Even though different opinion, even though different, completely different things, spiritual person generally don't hate. My personal opinions, I agree with the global mind and global spirituality, which is every day we face in our nature. Nature actually expressions of the God's heart. Nature actually expression of the real spirituality. If someone follow really spiritual person, he or she become really peaceful being and happy being beyond all kinds of ritual limitations.